Q1. The Stranger in the Mirror is the autobiography of _ A. Shekhar Kapoor, B. Kabir Bedi, C. Nasiruddin Shah, D. Rakesh O. Prakash Mahara, E. Anupam Kher. Correct answer. D. Rakesh O. Prakash Mahara. Notes. Filmmaker Rakesh Om Prakash Mahara on 21st July said he is coming up with his autobiography, The Stranger in the Mirror. Published by Rupa Publications, the book will hit the stands across the country on July 27, Q2. UGRO Capital announced the launch of a co-lending partnership for micro, small and medium enterprises with which of the following bank? A. SBI, B. IDBI, Bob, D. HDFC, E. ICICI. Correct answer. C. Bob. Notes. UGRO Capital announced the launch of a co-lending partnership for micro, small and medium enterprises with Bank of Baroda, Q3. Recently, Vice President released a book Palleku Pattabhishegam. Which one of the following sectors is associated with this book? A. Energy sector, B. Rural India and agriculture, C. Mining, D. Export development, E. Marine resources. Correct answer. B. Rural India and agriculture. Vice President releases book Palleku Pattabhishegam on rural India and agriculture. Releasing the book Palleku Pattabhishegam by former MP Shri Yalamanchili Sivaji at Dr. Marri Channa Reddy Human Resource Development Institute in Hyderabad, the Vice President said that villages and agriculture are intrinsically connected and we must address their issues holistically to bring Gram Swaraj. Q4. Parachuter Rubina Francis created a world record at the ongoing Parasport Cup in Peru. She belongs to _ A. Punjab, B. Bihar, C. Kerala, D. Haryana, E. Madhya Pradesh. Correct answer. E. Madhya Pradesh. Notes. Madhya Pradesh shooter Rubina Francis has set a world record at the ongoing Parasport Cup in Peru. Q5. Gira Sarabhai passed away recently. She was the co-founder of _ A. National Institute of Design, B. National Human Genome Research Institute, C. National Eye Institute, D. National Institute of Technology, E. National Institute on Aging. Correct answer. A. National Institute of Design. Notes. Gira Sarabhai, co-founder of National Institute of Design, passes away at 98. The pioneer of design education in the nation has played a vital part in establishing several other institutions and also made remarkable contributions in the field of art and architecture. Q6. Who is the author of the book Bank with a Soul, Equitas? A. Duvori Subbarao, B. C.K. Gariyalli, C. Yalamanchili Sivaji, D. N.V. Ramana, E. R.V. Ravindran. Correct answer. B. C.K. Gariyalli. Notes. Duvori Subbarao, former governor, RBI, released Dr. C.K. Gariyalli's book, Bank with a Soul, Equitas. Dr. C.K. Gariyalli is a founder trustee of EDIT, Equitas Development Initiative Trust, and the book chronicles the journey of Equitas and EDIT in transforming the lives of women with frequent social reform initiatives helping them set up micro-enterprises. Q7. In India, the National Broadcasting Day is observed on _ every year. A. July 25th, B. July 24th, C. July 23rd, D. July 22nd, E. July 21st. Correct answer. C. July 23rd. Notes. In India, the National Broadcasting Day is observed on July 23rd every year, to celebrate the radio, which has been an important part in people's life in India, both as an easy medium of entertainment along with new. Q8. The World Federation of Neurology, WFN, celebrates World Brain Day on every _ each year. A. July 20th, B. July 22nd, C. July 21st, D. July 24th, E. July 23rd. Correct answer, B. July 22nd. Notes: the World Federation of Neurology, WFN, celebrates World Brain Day on every July 22nd, focusing on a different theme each year. Q9. Which one of the following can identify by the Surabhi E-tag? A. FASTag issue. B. Electricity bill. C. E-documentation of land. D. Horticulture production. E. Cattle based on muzzle. Correct answer, E. Cattle based on muzzle. Notes: Dwara E-Dairy Solutions, a portfolio company of Dwara Holdings, has launched an artificial intelligence (AI) led digital tag Surabhi E-tag to identify cattle based on muzzle identity. Muzzle images of the cattle are collected through the Surabhi mobile application. Q10. Who among the following has been named the IF Men's Footballer of the Year 2020-21 season? A. Sunil Chhetri. B. Sahal Abdul Samad. C. Gurpreet Singh Sandhu. D. Sandesh Jingan. E. Ishan Pandita. Correct answer, D. Sandesh Jingan. Notes: Senior India defender Sandesh Jingan was named the IF Men's Footballer of the Year 2020-21 season. Q11. UNESCO removes _ from the World Heritage List. A. Great Barrier Reef. B. Liverpool. C. Mesa Verde National Park. D. Ha Long Bay. E. Old Walled City of Shibom. Correct answer, B. Liverpool. Notes: the UN's cultural agency UNESCO has voted narrowly to remove Liverpool's waterfront from its list of World Heritage Sites, citing concerns about overdevelopment, including plans for a new football stadium. Q12. Who was picked as the IF Men's Emerging Player for the Year Award for 2020-21? A. Suresh Singh Wangjam. B. Rahul Bheke. C. Aniruddha Thapa. D. Galram Martins. E. Ashiki Kurunia. Correct answer, A. Suresh Singh Wangjam. Notes: while midfielder Suresh Singh Wangjam was picked as the Emerging Player for the Year Award for 2020-21, Q13. What is the theme of World Brain Day 2021? A. Stroke is a brain attack. Prevent it and treat it. B. Clean air for brain health. C. Migraine, the painful truth. D. Move together to end Parkinson's disease. E. Stop multiple sclerosis. Correct answer, E. Stop multiple sclerosis. Notes: the theme for this World Brain Day is Stop Multiple Sclerosis. World Brain Day advocates early diagnosis of this condition that can help improve the quality of life of the patient. Q14. What is the theme of the G20 Environment Ministers Meeting 2021? A. Climate change, oceans and clean energy. B. Realizing opportunities of the 21st century for all. C. People, planet, prosperity. D. Empowering people. E. Secure environment. Correct answer, C. People, planet, prosperity. Notes: the 16th G20 summit under Italian presidency is slated to revolve around its primary theme of people, planet and prosperity. Q15. Kalaimamani Sikkil Sri R. Bhaskaran passed away recently. He was famously known for _ A. Violinist. B. Guitarist. C. Sitarist. D. Shahnai. E. Tabla. Correct answer, A. Violinist. Notes: noted Carnatic classical violinist Kalaimamani Sikkil Sri R. Bhaskaran passed away. He started learning the violin at the age of 11 from Tiruvarur Sri Subba Iyer and later trained under Mayuram Sri Govindarajan Pillai.